I still want you. Come back, I still need you.
We used to hide under the covers, serenade each other with careless melodies. Something buried deep inside us, the major and the minor, like piano keys. You played for me. You played for me. Oh, you played for me. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me. You symphony by your side, with your unity. My energy, my guiding light. We are couldn't stop the world from turning. It was like a whirlwind, scattered us like easy. But I'm stuck inside a feeling, a song that never leaves. We were like a symphony. You played for me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You and I love, we are family. Hold me, let's escape this reality. I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You played for me. You are singing by your side. You are energy, my guiding light. You I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. I lived a life without a meaning. I lived a life without a sense. Once you've opened up my eyes, I started healing and made me find another chance. So I tried to survive all the pain inside my mind, but only God knows how to leave it all behind. We were bound at the start, now you're tearing me apart, and I'm the one to start the fight from once upon a time. Will I just keep floating away from this world? Pick me up, give me hope, let me say one more word. Heaven's so far away tonight, but where the water meets the sky, we'll be alright. The world we left behind. The world we knew just started changing. The world we had just broke apart. We were bound at the start, now you're tearing me apart, and I'm the one to start the fight from once upon a time. Will I just keep floating away from this world? Pick me